What's going on, guys? Marqus Zar here, and man, it is exciting time to be a Tron holder right now because, as you guys can see, it seems like Tron got some momentum going on, right? Tron is at 5 cents. It's trading at 567, 568 satoshis, and if you don't have Tron, if you want to buy Tron, go to Binance, use my link below, and get started with Binance and sign up. It's really simple to do, and you can buy Tron. Now, this isn't financial advice, right? I'm not telling you to buy Tron. I'm just letting you know if you want to buy it, you have to buy it on Binance. I recommend Binance because Binance is like the #1 exchange for altcoins, right? So that's a disclaimer. I'm not telling you to do anything. I'm just letting you guys know this is just information purposes only. So the exciting thing that I just found was about Tron is as we go to trading view, right? I see a cup and handle pattern playing out right now in front of my eyes, right? And I say this because I did my research. I watched videos on trading and things like that. I'm trying to get better at trading. So I've been watching a lot of trading video, and the guy that I've been watching so far is this guy, Haejing Lee. He actually called this out. It says Tron shaping out a cup, right? Which is a cup and handle pattern. And this was about a month ago. He made this video. I recommend you guys watch it because it seems like what he says in this video is coming true, right? It's coming to life. As you guys can see, he made the drawing for the cup, right? It's a classic cup and handle, right? And the importance of this is because, one, if you're a trader, you can make tons of money doing, following the strategy and buying in before it goes to the moon, right? And not only that, it's just a good sign. It's a good sign to see as far as the signal, and it's a way to learn as well to get better with your trading, things like that, to find out different patterns. So I watched this video. Highly recommend you watch this guy. I actually did watch this video as well. He talked about the basics of a cup and handle with a stock, but it don't really goes in about the stocks or how to buy the stock. It's just showing you how to spot a cup and handle pattern, right? So I've been doing my research on YouTube, and I've been doing my research in Google search and just trying to get some more understanding of it as well. This guy actually Tony Tien, I think I'm pronouncing his last name wrong, but he actually made a lot of money with the same cup and handle pattern a few months ago with Tron, when Tron was at what the price is now, right? 4 cents, and Tron hit as high as about 30 cents, right? It went to the moon, right? And this guy called it out as well with a video before. But this is a whole different cup and handle pattern because when he made this video, he was looking at the 15-minute charts, right, with this cup and handle. So with me and with Haejing Lee, he was looking at the 1 hour, right? So this is the 1 hour chart, and I'm looking at the 1 hour chart as well. And it looks like a classic cup is forming with Tron. As you guys can see, the MACD has actually crossed right here at this line here. Actually, trying to zoom in a little bit more so you guys can see it. So it cross, right? And it seems like it's steadily rising, right? There's a lot of volume going on with Tron. It looks like it's on a bull run right now, and it's at 5 cents. And it seems like it's going to keep going up from here, right? And like I said, this isn't the 1 hour, but this is the 1 day chart. So this shows you a clear picture of it, and it just seems like it just a cup and pattern is once as in this case Tron, right, cryptocurrency goes up sky high in price, right, which it did. It hits the highs about 35 cents, and then it had this massive drop down, right, this massive pullback down right here in this range, and it pretty much consolidated throughout the whole process, right? It's consolidated, and now it's seeming like it's trying to push back up again, right? And it seems like that cup, right? It seems like we're right at the bottom of this cup formation that's gonna shoot up in price, right? it might go up. Usually with a cup and handle. I'm gonna go ahead and draw it for you guys real quick. Please don't judge me because I'm not an artist. If I went to art school, I will fail miserably because I'm bad at drawing, right? Let's just face facts. So I'm gonna just go ahead and draw this out. And it seems like it's doing this, guys. Right? Got a little break there. So the reason why I draw it at this line right here is because usually it hit us, it closed, right? This bore right here before this sell off that started right here, right? This last bar, it as is right here, as you guys can see right here, look in this corner right here, you got the open, you have the highs, you have the lows, and the close. So this bar, as I put my mouse over it, the highs is 35 cents, right? The lows is 14 cents. It closed at 22 cents, right? And it opened at 20 cents. So that's what I'm predicting. Tron is gonna hit up to that cup formation, right? It's gonna form that cup, right? This is gonna be the end of that cup, and then it's gonna drop back down into this handle area. So it might drop down to like 15, 16 cents. And then I think once the mainnet happens, right? The mainnet is supposed to be launching in May, right? That's in like 2 months, right? I think it's gonna go shoot back up, and I think it's gonna go up to to $1 probably, right? Once the mainnet launch, I think Tron is gonna go to the moon, right? That's the whole point of this video. This is the starting point of it all over again. If you guys missed out on this big bull run, definitely do your own research. This is something that I'm seeing right now in front of my eyes. Looks like a cup and handle patterning is playing out right now as I speak. Today is Saturday, March the 24th, and I'm very, very excited because, for one, I'm a big believer in Tron. I always have been, and not only that, Tron have exciting things that's coming up. Like I said, they have in their test net, so I think all this volume is coming up from anticipation from their test net that they finna launch in 7 days. I'm going to their website right now so you guys can see the countdown, because it's very, very exciting, because I'm anxious for this, right? I've been talking about Tron since I heard about Tron, right? I've just been fascinated by it, and a lot of people don't believe it. A lot of people want to make jokes about Tron, but I think Tron is here for the long term, guys. I really believe that. Like I said, I only talk about real projects, real use cases, and I think Tron is one of those cryptocurrencies that has a strong use case, that has a strong team, that has that's going to have a working product with this test net, which is going to be in 6 days, guys. 6 days. This is the countdown. So I think there's a lot of traders out there, and a lot of people is anticipating this as well. And actually, this is a perfect time to get into Tron if you haven't already, just to be on the safe side, because it looked like Tron is finna go to the moon, right? It looked like it's finna go to the moon. It feel like this cup is forming, right? It had this mass sell off. It's consolidated to the bottom right here. I'm trying to touch this bottom about 2 cents right here. This lowest peak, and this bottom touched the bottom again at 2 cents. So looks like it's upward for it. Could only go up, right? I've been watching Tron, and the lowest that I've seen Tron get was about 2-3 cents. I haven't seen it get lower than 1 cent, right? I've been waiting for this to see if it could get 1 cent. Even with the mass sell off in the market, I have not seen Tron touch 1 cent. So it just seems like this is the bottom for Tron, which was at 2 cents, right? And now it's climbing at 5 cents, and it seems like it's in a perfect position to have this buying pressure just to go up to the moon, to reach that the high point of 22 cents and drop back down again. And then once the mainnet launch, I think Tron is going to just go shoot up to the moon, right? To $1, 60 cents, 70 cents, whatever. I think it's just going to get crazy from here on out in the next next couple of days, couple of weeks, who knows, right? I don't know anything. I'm just going off based on what I've seen on the charts and based on what I've seen on my research on other videos and things like that. And you know, I'm in perfect position to get some Tron if I want to or not, right? And yeah, guys, that was the whole point of this video. Give this video a thumbs up, man. Hit that, man, spam that like button, right? Subscribe to this channel if you guys haven't already. And man, it's exciting times because I want to see how this is going to play out for Tron. And as you guys can see, the RSI 2 is not even in the oversell area territory, so it actually got a lot of room for growth still. As you can see from history, once it hit this oversold, it got high, right, about 98.70, right, and it looks like as far as RSIs is at 64.19 right now, so definitely a lot of room for growth, right, and things like that. So with that said, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Have a good one.